Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Do you want to go and watch the Olympics? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you can enjoy watching the Olympics while studying English. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please try to find the answer while watching the video. So here is today's question. What do the 5 Olympic rings mean? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Ellie, can you believe it? We leave tomorrow.
I know. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the Olympics.
Me too. I've wanted to go to the Olympics for such a long time.
Same here. This is like a dream come true.
I keep thinking about what it will be like. All the athletes, all the fans, the whole atmosphere.
I know. I bet the energy at the arena will be something really exciting.
Okay, let's check everything before we go to bed. Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's right here in my bag. And I have the tickets too. I printed them this morning.
Perfect. Let me see. Passport, tickets, phone charger, clothes. I think I'm almost ready.
Don't forget your jacket. It's going to be very cold where the Winter Olympics are held.
Oh, right. It's a Winter Olympics. I definitely need warm clothes.
I packed 2 sweaters and a thick coat, and I also packed gloves and a warm hat.
That's smart. I should do the same thing. Let me add a scarf, too.
Good idea. We don't want to be cold while we're watching the games outside.
That's true. Hey, are you nervous at all? This is our very first time at the Olympics.
A little bit, yes. It's such a big event, and there will be so many people there.
I'm a little nervous too, but mostly I'm just so excited.
I wonder what it will feel like to be there. I've only ever seen the Olympics on TV.
I'm sure it will be completely different in person. So many people from all over the world will be there.
I hope we can take lots of pictures. I want to remember every moment of this trip.
Of course, I'll bring my camera and my phone too, just in case.
Perfect. Oh, I'm so happy we planned this trip together.
Me too. Okay, I think we have everything we need. We should go to bed early tonight.
You're right. We have to wake up very early tomorrow morning.
Make sure you set your alarm. We can't miss our flight.
Don't worry. I already set it. I set 2 alarms, actually, just to be safe.
That's a good idea. I'll set 2 alarms too.
Okay. Good night, Sam. See you in the morning.
Good night, Ellie. Tomorrow is going to be a great day. Wow, this airport is so crowded today.
Look at all these people. I think many of them are also going to the Olympics.
You're probably right. I can hear so many different languages around us.
It feels like the whole world is traveling today. It's really exciting.
I even saw some people wearing Olympic t-shirts. They must be fans just like us.
We should have worn ours too.
The flight is going to be pretty long, but I don't mind at all.
Me neither. I'll watch a movie on the plane, maybe 2.
Good idea. Maybe I'll try to sleep a little so I feel fresh when we arrive.
That's smart. Oh, it looks like they're calling our gate now. Let's go.
Here we go. Next stop, Italy. we're here. We're finally in Italy.
I can't believe it. We really made it here.
That was a long flight. I'm a little tired, but it was totally worth it.
Me too, but I'm so happy right now. I don't even care about being tired.
Look around us. Everything looks and feels so different from home.
The signs are all in Italian. It really feels like we're in a whole different world.
I love it already. This is going to be a great trip.
Let's go find our hotel. I want to rest a little, and then we can go out and explore the city.
That sounds perfect. Let's go. This city is so beautiful. I love just walking around and looking at everything.
It really is. The buildings are so big and so old. They have so much history.
And there are people everywhere. It's so lively and full of energy.
I love the feeling of this place. Oh, look at that building over there. Let me take a picture.
Sure, go ahead. I'll take one too. This is a great spot for photos.
The food smells so good here. Can you smell something delicious from that little restaurant?
Oh, that smells great. We should definitely eat there later tonight.
Yes, I want to try real Italian food while we're here.
Me too. I've heard the food here is even better than Italian restaurants back home.
I can believe that. Everything here feels so fresh and real. Hey, I was thinking, should we try to visit that famous fountain near our hotel later today?
Oh, that's a nice idea. I've always wanted to see it with my own eyes.
Me too. They say if you throw a coin into the water, it brings good luck.
That sounds like fun. We should both throw a coin then.
Yes, let's do that. And don't forget, tomorrow is the big day. We finally get to watch the Olympics live.
I know. I'm getting more and more excited just thinking about it.
Oh, Sam, look over there. Can you see the Olympic logo on that big sign?
Oh, wow. The 5 rings. That's so cool to see out here in the city. You know, those 5 rings have a special meaning.
Really? What do they mean?
The 5 rings are all connected to each other. People say they show that the whole world comes together through sports. It's about people from every country being connected.
Oh, that's a lovely idea. I didn't know that before.
Yeah. And do you know about the Olympic flame, the fire that they carry before the games begin?
Yes, I've seen it on TV. Where does the fire come from?
It starts in Greece. That's where the very first Olympics were held, a very long time ago. And then people carry the fire around the world until it arrives at the games.
That's beautiful. I love that it connects so many people along the way.
Yeah, it really does. Anyway, let's keep walking. There's more to see before dinner.
Let's go.
Ellie, we're here. We're actually sitting inside an Olympic arena right now.
I still can't believe it. Look how big this place is. It's so huge.
Look at all the people here. The seats are almost completely full.
And listen to the crowd. Everyone is cheering and clapping so loudly.
I can see flags from so many different countries. It's a beautiful sight.
Look over there. Those people are waving a big flag. They look so happy.
The atmosphere in here is electric. I can feel it everywhere.
I feel the same way. My heart is already beating fast, and the race hasn't even started yet.
Oh, the skaters are coming out onto the ice now. The race is about to start.
They look so strong and fast, even when they're just getting ready.
Here they go. Oh, look at them. They are so fast. I can't believe how fast they are moving across the ice.
Can you hear that sound? The sound of their skates cutting across the ice? It's so sharp and clear.
Yes, I love that sound. You can never hear that on TV. This is completely different from watching at home.
It really is. You can feel the cold air from the ice, and you can feel the energy of the crowd all around you.
Everyone around us is standing up now. I think this skater is going very, very fast.
Oh my gosh, Sam, look at the time on the big screen. Could this be a new world record?
It might be. Come on, go, go, go!
Yes, look at that. That was unbelievable. The whole crowd is going crazy.
What a moment. I have goosebumps all over. I'm so glad we're here to see this with our own eyes.
Me too. This is something we will never, ever forget.
By the way, did you know that the medals at the Olympics are always a little different each time?
Really? What do you mean? How are they different?
Each country that hosts the Olympics makes its own special design for the medals, so the gold, silver, and bronze medals always look different and unique.
That's interesting. I wonder what the medals look like for this Olympics.
I saw a picture online before we came here. They are very impressive.
Maybe someday we can see the real medals up close.
That would be great. Can you imagine holding an Olympic gold medal?
That would be a dream, but just being here is already more than enough. I love learning little things like that. This whole experience has been truly wonderful.
It really has. I don't want this day to end.
Neither do I. Let's enjoy every single minute of it.
Wow, that was one of the best days of my entire life.
I feel exactly the same way. It was truly an unforgettable day.
The speed skating was so exciting. My heart was beating so fast the whole time.
Mine too. And the crowd was just unbelievable. Everyone was cheering together as one.
And seeing those athletes give their very best was so inspiring. They worked so hard for this moment.
It really was inspiring. You could see how much it meant to every single one of them.
You know what I loved? It didn't matter what country people came from. Everyone was just happy to be there together.
That's what I loved the most too. People from all around the world sitting together, cheering together.
I'm so glad we decided to come here. This trip was worth everything.
It really was. The planning, the long flight, the cold weather, all of it was completely worth it.
I definitely want to do this again someday. I don't want this to be our only time.
Me too. We should go to the next Olympics. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea. Maybe the next one will be in a completely different country.
That would be even better. We can visit a new country and watch the Olympics at the same time.
A new trip and the Olympics together. I can't wait already.
Same here. But for now, let's enjoy tonight. We're still in beautiful Italy.
You're right. This has been the best trip I've ever taken in my life.
The best trip ever, and a memory I will keep in my heart forever.
Thank you for coming with me, Ellie. It wouldn't have been the same without you.
Thank you too, Sam. I'm so happy we did this together.
You know, this trip has changed how I feel about sports. It's not just about winning. It's about everyone coming together.
I feel the same way. That's what makes the Olympics so special.
Let's walk back to the hotel slowly and enjoy the night air.
That sounds perfect. Tomorrow we fly home, but tonight, let's just be happy.
Deal. What a day. What a truly special day.
The most special day.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English travel story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What do the 5 Olympic rings mean? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.